Back at the Davelsbergcircuit in Maasmechelen for the penultimate round of the Belgian Rallycross Championship 2025, and this is the Supernationals under 2 litre final with the Mazda RX-8 of Martijn Engelen taking the best start. The outside it goes the VW Polo of Jorrit van Dasselaar, still the Mazda leading from the Honda Civic of Desender, and Van Dasselaar overtakes the Mazda. Now it's between Desender and Engelen. Joker lap for Desender, and the Polo of Van Dasselaar takes the lead. Can he stay in front of the Mazda? No, he can't. So it's a win for the Polo, and then it's the Mazda.
Jorrit van Dasselaar, wat een mooie...
Jorrit van Dasselaar, what a great final. Yeah, it was pretty hectic. There was a lot of pressure at the front, there was plenty of pressure behind me. But it went really well. The timing of the Joker lap was perfect, and then there was able to gain the time to overtake Martijn, yes, and that's how I was able to drive it home.